What's going on, everybody? Arrows here. So I've been driving this thing around without a fender on, and today is my day of lucky because got a new fender. My buddy Alex actually gave me a call out of nowhere and said that he was at a junkyard and happened to stumble upon a fender for my car. So that was awesome. He was kind enough to go ahead and pull it off and bring it to me. Now we can go ahead and get this thing installed, and piece by piece, we're gonna be getting it put together. He was actually the one who also found the driver door for me as well. So good looking out, Alex. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and show you guys the result afterwards. But after that, I can kind of be a little step closer to doing the body work on it. And I just need the handle for the driver door, which I'll either order online or go to the junkyard and pull it from the vehicle that's there. Okay, so there you guys have it. Fender is on. We got all kinds of colors going on. But we will get it looking good like the other side. So I'm gonna redo the Rhino liner two-tone and then redo the black paint job on the upper part. Here's the more completed side of it. So yeah, Rhino liner, and then I'm gonna most likely paint it, not wrap it. Paint it black. And just keep going from there. Then I'll get to the interior. So I'm gonna take it to the back. There's more parking back behind that wall. So I'll put it there during the summer. And then my goal is to have it ready by October, spooky season, you know? Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.